Welcome back. Martin's Corner, a multi-cuisine restaurant at Betalbati, has bagged yet another award. The Foodie Awards 2012 by Times Now for the best coastal food restaurant was bagged by the Martin's Corner. This restaurant has been serving for over 23 years and is one of the favorite celebrity destinations.
Martin's Corner multi-cuisine restaurant at Betalbati was awarded with the best coastal food restaurant by the Times Now, a national channel.
It actually belongs to, I can say, to my mother, who was the one who started this restaurant. And till today she is very much involved in running this restaurant. She is very much involved in the kitchen, in day-to-day preparing all the masalas and the curries, the Goan curries what we have.
The restaurant was started in 1989. Pereira has managed to keep the Goan taste alive all over these years.
Masala, Rishab masala, Vidalo, Kaldin, Ambotti, Goan for the Ambotti.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
And now news from sports. Salgaocar Sports Club will take on Wehdat of Jordan on Tuesday in the A.F.C Cup Group D encounter at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. The Green Brigade will have to play out of their skins to get something out of the match against a strong Jordanian club. Salgaocar will, however, miss their key players in Luciano, Chidi and Seuka for the home game. Wehdat had scored a comfortable 5-0 win against Salgaocar in Amman last week.
Salgaocar have so far played 3 league matches but have managed just 1 point that came after the Vasco-based club held Uzbekistani club Neftchi to a 2-2 draw at Fatorda. Salgaocar had begun their campaign by losing their opening match against Al Aruba in Oman. However, a big defeat in Jordan has dented Salgaocar's chances, but coach Karim Bencherifa asserted that his boys will put up a fighting performance despite missing Luciano Sabrosa, Chidi and Seuka.
Luciano is suspended, Chidi and Seuka both injured, so of course this make the game on paper a bit disbalanced. Our spirit is intact, there is no question about that. The team is together for quite a long time, that it's not one bad result that will shatter us. As I said, despite some difficulties and some absentees, I'm sure that the team available will put up a very, very good fight. That's I can assure you that. We will not make it. We will not make it easy. We will try our best on the game tomorrow.
Wehdat coach Branko Smiljanic is not reading too much into their big margin victory over Salgaocar. The Serbian is not taking Salgaocar lightly.
The team of Salgaocar is a very good team, and it's a difficult game here, home game for Salgaocar and Jordan game. We have many luck in the first game. We have problem in the first half to open the game, and we open the game with penalty. First half is only 1-0. It was not so easy game in the Amman. Maybe this big result 5-0. How that we play, you know. So I know tomorrow is another game and complete different game. So we try make us ready for a strong game tomorrow.
Our reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
Fourth round matches of Goa Professional League 3-day tournament got underway on Monday. Salgaocar are up against NRB Goa Sports Academy at Porvorim. Salgaocar have made a good start with a positive run rate against NRB. Over at Bits Pinani ground in Vasco, Dempo Cricket Club are taking on Sarvodaya Royals.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.